Hi guys, how are you? Okay, so I'm hoping my battery looks like it's gonna be okay. So I did a piece earlier today which should be posted before this one is posted so you can see it, and I just had something in my head and it came out, and I figured let's see if lightning strikes twice. So I'm gonna do something more with darker colors this time. Last time I did white, this time I'm gonna do dark. So let's get started. So this is my acrylic gloss black paint. Since it's an older mix, it's probably just 1 part paint, 1 part Floetrol. I'm not sure, I might actually have a little bit more in there. And then I mixed up Deco Art Metallics Bright Brass and Deco Arts Metallics Rose Gold. I did some Liquitex Basics Painted Gray, Liquitex Silver, and Artist Loft, God, I always say that word wrong, Copper. So let's have a little fun. I'm gonna test this. Okay, that's perfect. All right. So I'm gonna spread this out to be the base coat. And the canvas that I'm using is another one that I got at Jerry's Artorama, and it's 4x12 Art Alternatives. It actually feels like it's sinking in the middle, which is not good. Why all these canvases do that? It's annoying. I'm going to just go around the edge here just to get the sides done. I mean, what's a little more waste? I just would like black to be the predominant color here. Hopefully it has done that. All right. All right. Now. Okay, so now let me torch this, and I think I'm gonna need to put more gas in this. Fuel, I guess, is more the right word than gas. Lots of bubbles coming up because I shaked that paint up. Alright, so let's start with this. And these paints were all mixed fresh today. So they are 1 part paint to 1 part Floetrol. Why do I keep saying that? That's my old mixer. Sorry. 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol. Damn. I don't like when it drops. I'm gonna have to fix that. I don't know if I want to bring some red into this. I don't know. Let's do silver. Let's see what it looks like after we do a little blowing. And then I'm going to just dab some Payne's Gray in here, just a little. Okay. All right. Now let's see what happens here. All right. I like that. Let's drag this down. Okay. I like the drag. All I did was tilt it down. I do think it needs something now. Hold on. Right, I'm gonna flip this around. Just want to clean that spot there on the bottom. That, oh gosh, I missed a lot of black on this side. Okay, there. When you're blowing with your straw, you have to like go slow and then go strong, and because each movement, of course, is going to do something different. Sometimes if you blow too hard, you get under the color and then you lose it. See, like what I'm doing here is just pulling what's laying on top over. I don't want to bring the black up and hide it. Alright, so I'm going to tilt this again, because especially there, it's getting too high up there. Okay, that didn't really move, and I lost a lot here. Alright, let's torch it. See what happens. Because this recipe mixture, you got to spend some time torching it. Hope you guys can see it. It looks like the lighting's pretty good, because it really, a lot of cells come out, lots and lots and lots. But you gotta kind of play with it. It's not like a quick torch. Ooh. All right. Okay, so let me do a little repair work here. Now, I hope this doesn't really get too messy, because it looks like the canvas is kind of sinking in the middle, which, because this was nice and black and now it's kind of spaced out. So since it's self-leveling, I'm just going to put a little black right there and hope that that sort of solves that problem. Now I'm going to also do one other thing. That wasn't the one other thing. I want to, and I haven't done this with the fluid pour work, but let's see. I'm gonna pour some white. into this random cup that I have sitting here. See, just a little bit of white. And then let's see if I can get this to work. I'm gonna take a stick. I'm gonna water it. I'm gonna water this paint down significantly. Not significantly. I'm gonna just put some water in it. Okay. So it's on the water side. So now we mix it up. And all I'm gonna do is just drop some white dots. I just wanted to do, if I had my I have like an old toothbrush, which I'm gonna have to pull out. I used to like splatter paint on my abstract stuff. I would splatter some paint. So let's torch it now and see what happens with that. Well, the good news is that it's staying, so hopefully it will dry that way. But there's a few steps that I splattered a little too much. So let's fix that. There on the side. One there. Just a little too heavy-handed there. All right. Well, this was a very fast video, mainly probably because the canvas is so tiny-whiny. But this is, again, what I had in my head. So I am doing another happy dance. Oh, beautiful. Let's see. Let me bring you guys over here. And I'll take photos of this. Let's see, come on, focus in. There we go. Look at those crazy cells. I am a fan of this recipe. I really like the spots. Love it. All right. Well, that was a little teeny weeny 13-minute video. Thank you for watching. Here's a new canvas. Going to a little of the darker side with a bunch of metallics. So when this dries, it's gonna be shimmery, shimmery, shimmery. Beautiful.